stupid.
Koi, what you eating?
No.
Snow? You're eating snow?
I want some snow.
See if Grandpa likes snow.
Oh, good.
Let's see you take a bite. Snow ice cream.
No, hot tea.
Can I have some?
Uh-oh, look out. Grandpa might eat all your snow ice cream.
Mmm. Oh, good.
Mommy, Mom, Papa, eat. Oh, don't.
No, there's plenty left. Look, I'll even give you more.
Oh, can Papa have some more?
No.
You're quite the good sharer.
Here, should we get... Here,
Daddy, have you had any ice cream
Oh,
yet?
no, I wouldn't even think of touching it.
And a little bit of vanilla. And stir it up. Whoa. That's kind of a lot of vanilla.
So, Koi, how does it taste?
Did you put sugar in there too? Or?
Mm-hmm. Sugar and vanilla.
Koi's first snow ice cream.
Do you like it? How's it taste? Good. Mmm. Yummy.